paper leak is an issue at a malaise which has confronted this nation and has been reported from different parts of the country, regardless of whichever the party in power, regardless of whichever the state or the union territory. The list is very long, but if you go through, you will understand how assorted it is, hardly leaving any state or any party untouched. Some of the infamous paper leaks extensively reported in the media and talked about include the 2009 Railway Recruitment Board, 2011 All India Engineering Entrance Examination, 2012 AIIMS Delhi Entrance Leak, 2013 Maharashtra Higher Secondary Certificate Leak, 2010 B.Ed Entrance Examination, 2014. Yes, I am coming to that. I am coming to that. Yes. Coming to. I will come up to 26. I am going to come up to 26.
Let the minister speak, please.
I said I will come up to 2026. UP 2010 B.Ed Entrance Examination, UP 2014 Combined Pre-Medical Examination, UP 2015 Uttar Pradesh Provincial Service Leak, Tamil Nadu 2012 Tamil Nadu Public Service, West Bengal 2009 Joint Entrance Exam, Rajasthan 2018 Police Constable Recruitment Scam, 2019 Rajasthan Librarian Grade 3 Scam, 2020 Rajasthan Junior Engineer, 2021 Rajasthan Eligibility Examination, 2021 SI Recruitment Exam, 2022 RPSC School Lecturer, 2022 Police Constable, 2022 Senior Teacher Grade 2 Examination, same year RPSC Public Service Commission, 2023 Rajasthan REET exam, 2019 Odisha Teachers Eligibility Test, 2023 Odisha Staff Selection Examination, 2016 Karnataka UC, and very recently Jharkhand Public Service Commission, irregularities in combined service. Now the suggestion is to come to the current, yes. So 2026, current year, Punjab Pharmacy Officer Recruitment Scam. So this is latest.
Please.
And even more recent, Karnataka Veterinary Officers leakage.
I will take care of you, please, my dear. Please. Nothing will go on record except the minister's speech.
So, I'm glad that I'm glad the enthusiastic response from the opposition is a testimony to the fact that you have acknowledged what I have said. And therefore, you would also acknowledge the justification behind bringing the 2024 bill and the amendment today. Broadly speaking, Chairman Sir, in this country we have 4 main recruitment agencies, namely the UPSC, the Staff Selection Commission, the Railway Recruitment Board, and the Institute of Banking Personnel. And for admission to higher educations, now you have National Testing Agency. And my next sentence is again going to excite some of the honorable members on the other side. The irony is that the first time the suggestion for setting up a national agency came way back in 1992, almost 33 years back. It was a Congress government at the center. A series of committees are formed. And in UPA 2 in 2010, again a very strong suggestion from one of the committees set up by them came to set up a national testing agency. I'm sure they will appreciate and be grateful and thank Prime Minister Modi that the unfinished task and unfinished agenda left by UPA is being completed and brought to conclusion by the NDA. And therefore,
Please take your seat.
and therefore,
Agarwal ji,
in an honest bid,
Agarwal ji, please take your seat. Don't get
in
agitated.
an honest bid to carry forward what could have been carried forward by the earlier governments, the Public Examination Bill 2024 was brought in January 24. It was enacted in February 24, implemented in June, and also notified in June 24. The bill's main objectives at that time were to give greater
Please,
transparency.
honorable member, please
Yes.
take your seat.
Yes, that is precisely the reason you didn't bring the bill. Because
Pawan Karaji, you go back to your
because
seat, please.
the bill
Pawan Karaji, you
sought to
please
bring
go back to your
greater
seat, please.
transparency, greater credibility. And I'm not saying this. There is a strong opinion in this country that this agency was not brought in because there were certain vested interests involved, and which were not compatible with transparency. But here it was a noble thought to reassure the youth that their sincere and genuine efforts would not go unrewarded in the hands of a few vested interests, and to ensure that their future would not be jeopardized by self-seeking.
Jairam Ramesh, your
governments
party is
of the
having
day.
sufficient time. You can give notes to
The
your
more-
speakers and you
the
can
more
speak
you
also.
oppose,
Please wait.
the
You
more
please
you
take your
admit
seat. Pawan
that you had a
Pawan
reason
Karaji, you take
of
your
not
seat.
bringing it National Testing
No running
Agency
commentary,
for
please.
53 years. Just as they took 70 years to erase out Article 370, which was their commitment, they took 33 years not to bring in National Testing Agency.